right, y'all, so I'm not sure if y'all can really see this. I really hope you can. I know it's super bright. It's a beautiful day outside, but as you can see, my camera is really just dangling. It's been dangling like this for a few weeks now, and this actually happens every year. So in the winter months when it's cold outside, we don't have any issues with the camera, more specifically the mounting of the camera. But in the summertime, it gets so hot outside and even hotter inside the car, y'all. It'd be so toasty up in here that the tape really loses its effectiveness. It's really not very sticky at all anymore, and with the weight of the camera, the mounting tape really just can't support the camera anymore, so it just falls down. And you know, I don't even bother unplugging it and pulling it down and putting it up, and I don't even bother anymore, y'all. It's been dangling there for a few weeks. So my wonderful, amazing, loving husband bought me this mount, so we're gonna go ahead and hook it to the mount to see if that will kind of offset this little hiccup we're having.
Alright guys, so we need to go ahead and get this tape off of the windshield, and as you can see, I'm able to just peel it off with my fingers at this point because it's so hot out here, which is pretty much the whole reason why this camera won't stay mounted. And I'm just using a little bit of glass cleaner to clean the area off. If you still have residue left up there, you can use some Goo Gone. In our case, we don't really need it, and I don't want to use it anyways because this tent strip is up there. I don't want to disrupt that from sticking. But, you know, if yours is directly on the glass and you have some tape residue, use a little bit of Goo Gone, spray it up there, let it sit for a couple of seconds, couple of minutes, and then just take a rag and wipe it off. In our case, we won't need to do that. So we can just take the clip, and I think Shamil already showed this, but there's some plastic over here covering the actual suction cup. But when you put this up here, basically what you're going to do is this part right here. You're just gonna push that down. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is separate this plate. This is the mounting plate, which we're not gonna need. This is if you're using the tape, and you see these 3 prongs right here. So now basically all we need to do is take this and you push it in and then just slide it. You can hear it click into place. And we're going to pull off this tape. Like I said, this piece is already down. So now all we have to do is just figure out where we want to mount it. I'm gonna go probably about right here, should be good. Push up, it's locked into place. And that's it. All right, so now we have it mounted. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the car on and make sure it's positioned properly.
GPS connected.
And we're good to go. So this is a nice sturdy mount, and it shouldn't come down due to the heat at this point. It feels like it's pretty secure, but we're going to keep an eye on it for a few days and let you know how it holds up.
All right, y'all, so I just took a look. It's 92 degrees outside, and it is still up there, still holding strong. We're gonna put up a photo here so that you guys can see which models this is compatible with, and we'll also post a link so you know where you can get your very own. If you haven't already subscribed to the She Fast channel, make sure you do that. Also head over to 300 Reasons, subscribe over there too, baby. We'll see y'all on the next video. Thank you so much for your support. Peace out.